Lamchoko takuk tai buhuk jong teacher recruitment boot tripani bisingte kaise notification nokri hakya 21 tarik 8 March 2025 notification o jaga saka renaming the term pure science as physical science in the selection test for graduate teacher je graduate teacher ni bagai physical science nei mungrijagmani tei pure science nei selaijagmani oro notification kokha. This is for kind information to all concerned that the term pure science in selection test for graduate teacher STGT for recruitment to the post of graduate teacher class 9-10 has been modified and relabeled and titled as physical science for the forthcoming STGT examination. STGT examination ni bagai je physical science nei je mung je title tomone obo pure science nei rijak senai okay o jaga tabuk je ketal exam STGT ni bagai henceforth the selection test for graduate teacher STGT pure science will be renamed as selection test for graduate teacher STGT physical science. Physical science ni jaga tak o jaga pure science ni mung slaijaknai engka abono o jaga notification rijaka pure science nei rijak senai physical science ni jaga other content of the syllabus shall rename and change. The syllabus for STGT for all category is available in the official website of TRBT. This is issued in accordance of the approval of the competent authority. Competent authority ni onusare o jagate kono syllabus ro kono tai change sanglakni sajaka hangai o jaga physical science ni jaga pure science nei slaijaknai asukno gabon bagani o jaga notification dirijaka 21 tarik 8 March 2025 kasukno haino hai jotono hambai.